The Aipas F3 electric bike presents itself as a formidable contender in the growing market of electric bicycles, aiming to blend power, functionality, and modern design. With a peak motor power of 1500 W and a robust 48V 12.8Ah battery, this bike promises to deliver an exhilarating ride while offering practical features for everyday commuting and recreational use. At first glance, the Aipas F3 makes a strong impression with its sleek frame and stylish design. Available in multiple color combinations, it caters to a range of aesthetic preferences. The aluminum alloy frame is not only lightweight but also sturdy, which is essential for both performance and durability. The bike weighs around 60 pounds, which is manageable but may be a consideration for those who need to lift it or transport it frequently. One of the most significant aspects of the Aipas F3 is its powerful 1500 W brushless motor, which allows for a top speed of up to 28 miles per hour. This level of power is impressive, especially for an electric bike, providing a thrilling experience whether you are cruising through city streets or tackling rugged terrain. The torque from the motor allows riders to tackle inclines with relative ease, a feature that is often a concern for electric bike users in hilly regions. The bike's 48V 12.8Ah lithium-ion battery provides a commendable range, allowing for about 40 to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on the terrain, rider weight, and riding mode selected. This versatility makes it suitable for both short commutes and longer leisure rides. The battery is also removable, which adds convenience for charging as you can easily take it indoors without bringing the whole bike. Transitioning between different riding scenarios is seamless thanks to the Aipas F3's 3 riding modes: electric, assisted, and manual. In electric mode, you can rely entirely on the motor for propulsion. The pedal assist mode allows you to engage the motor while still pedaling, which is perfect for varying distances and energy levels. The manual option gives you the experience of a traditional bike, letting you enjoy a more vigorous workout. The ability to switch modes is particularly beneficial for those who may want to exercise more on certain days or conserve battery life. The Aipas F3 features a Shimano 7-speed gearing system, which enhances your riding experience by allowing you to select the appropriate gear for your specific environment. The shifts are smooth, and the availability of multiple speeds adds to the bike's versatility. Coupled with the front suspension fork, you have a bike that absorbs shocks and bumps, making it comfortable to ride on uneven surfaces. Braking is another critical feature, and the Aipas F3 does not disappoint. It is equipped with dual hydraulic disc brakes, which provide strong stopping power regardless of weather conditions. The responsiveness of the brakes instills confidence, especially when riding at higher speeds or downhill. One of the standout features of the Aipas F3 is its LED headlight and taillight, which ensures visibility during nighttime rides. This adds a layer of safety for urban commuting, where visibility can be a concern. Additionally, the bike includes reflective strips on the frame, further enhancing nighttime safety. In terms of maintenance, the Aipas F3 stands out for its straightforward design. The components are easily accessible, making it simple to perform routine checks and adjustments. This is particularly advantageous for those who prefer to handle maintenance themselves or for novice riders who may want to learn basic bike care. However, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The weight of the bike, while manageable, may be a drawback for some users, particularly those who need to carry it upstairs or lift it frequently. Additionally, the assembly process can be somewhat involved, requiring a decent level of mechanical knowledge to ensure everything is put together correctly. It's advisable to seek assistance from a professional if you are not comfortable with bike assembly. Overall, the Aipas F3 electric bike for adults impressively balances power, range, and modern features, catering to both casual riders and those looking